Hey, are you excited for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? It's not coming out soon, but we already have a sneak peek at what it looks like. And guess what? It has a totally flat screen, no more curves on the sides. This is not some random rumor, it's legit. A guy named David Martin posted it on X, and Ice Universe, who knows his stuff, said it's the real deal. Samsung has been making curved screens for a long time, but they were mostly for show. They made the phone look thinner and sleeker, but they didn't do much else. Now they're going for a flat screen, which might be more practical and comfortable to use. To be honest, I'm not a fan of curved screens. They look cool, but they also make it harder and pricier to fix the screen if it cracks. And don't get me started on how annoying it is to put a screen protector on them. Maybe that's why Samsung decided to ditch the curved screen for the S24 Ultra, or maybe it has something to do with the new titanium body of the phone. Yeah, you heard me right. They are making these new phones with titanium. It's supposed to be super strong and light, but it also gets smudgy with fingerprints easily. Just ask anyone who has an iPhone 15 Pro. The S24 Ultra has some other cool features too, like a new 50 megapixel zoom camera that can capture amazing details, and a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip that runs everything smoothly. But the most interesting thing about the phone might be its generative AI software. It's supposed to create all kinds of stuff with just a few taps. I don't know how useful that will be though. It could be awesome, or it could be a flop. I guess we'll have to wait and see. We have another rumor about the Samsung Galaxy S24 phones. They might be coming out sooner than we thought, like in January. Some official sources have already approved a new Samsung model that could be the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it might even have a stylus. That's not all though. A Korean report said Samsung has a big event planned for January 17th in California, where they will show off the new phones. The Galaxy S24 might not be the only new phone in January though. OnePlus is also launching its OnePlus 12 in China next month and maybe worldwide soon after. So it looks like we'll have some exciting choices for our next phone upgrade. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.